Yeah, you guys, welcome back to another vlog with Rahul, Bhai, Abhishek, and all the family. Because there are too many people, I can't name everybody.
What's going on, guys? So I don't know.
Adnan's last day. It's like it went so fast, guys. Ramadan and stuff came up, so it went so fast.
Yeah, 2 months actually flew.
2
by,
months flew.
It literally flew by. Today we have special news about Adnan, but I don't know if you should say it or not.
No, not yet, not yet. No, we're playing Who's It. Apparently, it's like the new version of Catch and Catch. Abhishek's it. He's coming for it. Abhishek's it. Adnan's it now. Adnan's it. Guys, we got Miss Queen in the house. Miss Queen India is there, guys. Let's go and get Miss Queen India is skating like a beast.
Do not distract me.
Okay, I'm gonna die. Okay. Miss Queen, how's your skating experience?
It's
Why don't you
going
tell
good.
us?
It's going good. I'm still learning.
Learning. She's a
I'm
learner.
still learning. Let's hope I learn in like
Okay,
2
let's
hours.
go now. Okay, let's try. Let's see how much you learn. The music's on, guys. Pretty good, pretty good.
We finished ice skating and it was actually like really tiring. In fact, because
Yeah, guys, like 2 hours.
And the problem is
continuously.
the shoes. I don't think they were that good, or maybe my size was smaller because I got like hurt in my ankles.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
stuff.
mine was fine.
So
I
we
was,
left
like,
before our session got over. In fact, and now we're heading where?
Gazebo.
We're in Gazebo.
The
in
one next to
Bardubai.
Shut Up DG.
Bardubai. So we're gonna go in. Let's.
My man's.
The
My
big
man's.
man number 2.
So, guys, right now it's like the FIFA time in Dubai. So we just came like to a shisha cafe to chill. No smoking, obviously. Just watching.
Yes, correct. Just gonna sit here, be halal kids.
Halal app. So, Bobby, how's US and all? It's finally you've been back and all. Hey, what happened to the grades? Like, did you like pass camp?
I passed camp.
Why didn't you tell me how much you got? What was the grade?
Bro, the grade, it was then, the last vlog here, the grade, guess me, let her say.
I don't want to say
No,
it.
no, no. Tell the grade. Tell the
Just say
grade.
it. Just say it.
She said what? C, D.
She said she might fail or she might pass. Now let's ask
What is the
her.
grade? What is the grade, Bobby?
A minus.
Guys, you know these kind of guys who always say they fail and then they end up getting all the good marks. She's one of them.
Give me the other thing also. So guys, these are the kind of people who actually are so annoying. And Rahil was about to say this, but it makes no sense because he is one of them too. So both of them, you guys wear pink and do the same thing.
Guys, we're twinning today.
Yes.
And bye. We expect less marks. Somehow,
We do expect less
We
marks.
do
It's not a
expect-
lie.
sometimes it happens to be that we get a little better marks. It's fine.
Somehow God just sends
Somehow
it,
God
sprinkles
just
marks
sends.
in.
Okay.
Oh, I
then.
see. Rahil's being a little
Now
hana.
Abhishek has to leave. Man.
Yeah.
It's kinda late, guys.
Everyone has to leave. I think it's around 12.
Yeah,
It's around
yeah.
12.
Me
Now
and
we're
Adnan.
watching the match now. Oh my god.
Even nobody wants him to talk. Okay,
So yeah, so
match we were watching.
the match
and,
we're watching. So Adnan's last day in Dubai, as you guys know. So I think Rahil's gonna give like a
I'll end the vlog, guys.
He is
I'll
gonna
end
end the vlog. So I'm out, guys. So we'll see you guys. I'll see you guys next video. And let Rahil continue from here. The big man over here. The big man. Woo.
Finally, it's time. We're going home right now. My man Adnan's leaving tomorrow. What time are you leaving by?
He said tomorrow morning.
Bye. So how you feeling and all?
It's like I'm feeling sad, but I'm happy also. It's for a good reason I'm going, so it's
Yeah. Guy, I'll tell.
yeah, it's
He's going to college, guys. Finally, he's going to college after 2 years of hard work. He's going to college, medical school. That's what's up. And it's kind of hard, guys. Like the thing I miss the most in Dubai, one, my family, and second is Adnan the most. So we had a good time. 2 months flew like this.
this one. Ramadan went like
Ramadan
this.
went, guys. I've been like spending all the time with you. Yeah,
every day we used to
every
go
day
to
we used to
pool,
go together,
gym.
gym, everything together. Now finally is the time. So I'll be seeing you soon, bye. So I'll be seeing him soon. So anyways, bye. See you soon. Take care. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Yeah. See you soon, fam. Rahul bhai signing out and Adnan Khan, King of Bangalore.